student. So today we start with chapter number 11 of NCRT book, that is dual nature of matter and radiation. And the first topic of this chapter is photoelectric effect. So first of all we understand what is photoelectric effect. So photoelectric effect is a phenomena when the electrons are emitted from the metal surface due to the energy of incident radiation. And in this slide, we study the topic experimental study of photoelectric effect. So this diagram is taken from the NCRT textbook. In this diagram, there is a metal plate C which is made up of photosensitive material, and there is another plate A. Both are of same material, and this is a source S. This source is emitting the radiation, and these radiation are incident on a metal plate C. The metal plate C is connected to negative terminal, that is metal plate C is connected to this terminal, and the metal plate A is connected to positive terminal initially. But due to commutator, these terminals can be interchanged. Initially, C plate is connected to negative terminal and A plate is connected to positive terminal. And there is a microammeter that detects the current, and there is a voltmeter to determine the voltage, and there is a rheostat that changes the voltage at different value of current, and there is a source that maintains the current in the external circuit. Now there is also, we have created a vacuum chamber over there so that gravity will be zero. There will be no effect of gravity on the motion of the electron. Now what happened when this source emitted the radiation, and these radiation having the energy greater than the work function, then the electrons will emitted from this metal plate C. Due to the positive potential of this plate A, the electrons will move towards the plate A, and these electrons are called photoelectrons. And the current formed due to these electrons from C to A, this current is called photoelectric current, and the phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. So this experiment was done by Helveg and Lenard along with Einstein, right? So next slide we study the factors due to which this current get affected. Okay, so let's start with first factor. The first factor will be effect of intensity. Now what does intensity means? What does intensity means? Intensity means the number of photons emitted from the metals, the number of photons emitted from the source. Greater the intensity, greater number of photons will be emitted from the source. Now as we increase the intensity, the number of photons also increases, due to which the number of electrons also increases. Due to increase in the number of electrons, the photoelectric current increases. So we see with increase in intensity, the photoelectric current increases linearly. And it is written the number of photoelectrons emitted per second is directly proportional to intensity. Greater the intensity, greater will be the number of photons emitted per second. Now next we move to next slide. So the second factor is the effect of potential on photoelectric current. Now what does the potential mean over here? In this diagram, in this second point, the potential means the voltage of external battery, this battery. What will happen if we increase the voltage of this battery? So you see, if we increase the voltage of this battery, the C will be more negative, or you can say A will be more positive. As the value of positive potential increases, the electron will move with greater speed towards the plate A. So we see the photoelectric current increases. So it is clearly drawn in the graph. With increase in voltage, the photoelectric current increases. And next, if we move towards the negative side of the voltage, we see the photoelectric current decreases. Now, why the photoelectric current decreases? Let's see. Now, if the voltage is negative, what does it mean? It means that if the voltage is in negative, that means this plate get positively charged and this plate get negatively charged, means their terminals get oppositely polarity. Now when the electrons will move towards this side, the positive charge will attract towards it, so lesser number of electrons will move towards A. Hence we see the photoelectric current get decreases and become zero at a certain potential, that is called stopping potential. Okay. So, what is stopping potential? The stopping potential can be defined as the minimum negative potential V naught given to plate A for which the photoelectric current stops and becomes zero is called stopping potential. And the maximum current at different intensity is called saturation current. So, student, for this video, this will be the sufficient topics. We will discuss the further factors in our next video. Thank you.